Hello friend, this is Vinay, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix setting app not working properly in Windows 11. So let's get started. So first method is to reset the setting app, and here is how you can do that. So first of all you need to click on the search icon available on the taskbar. Now here you need to type settings. When the application appeared in the search results, you need to right click on it. Now you need to select app setting from the menu. Now this will open the dedicated setting page for setting app. Here on this page you need to scroll down to reset section. Now here click on reset button and reset button again. Wait for a few seconds and setting app will close automatically. So after doing this you can check if this fixes the issue related to setting app. If this method fails to fix the issue, then you can try the second method. So for that you need to right click on the start button. Now here you need to select Windows Terminal Admin. When dialog box appears, click yes to continue. Now this will open the Windows terminal. Now you need to copy paste this command. I have already added this command in the description, so you can copy the command from here, and then you need to paste it here and hit enter. This will start the deployment, and once the process complete, you will get the status that operation completed for this. So once done, again you can check if this fixes the setting app. If both the methods fail to fix the issue, then last solution is to perform in place upgrade. I have already mentioned the link in the description how you can perform in place upgrade in Windows 11, and this will definitely fix the issue related to setting app. So these are three methods using which you can fix issues related to setting app, whether it's setting app not working properly or setting app not open in Windows 11. There might be other cases or issues related to setting app. So you can use these three methods to fix the issue. So that's it guys, this is how you can fix issues related to setting app. Give a try to these methods, and if you find it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.